What's up, guys? This is Dinero Chaser coming at you with a little basic how to when drawing support and resistance lines. Now, what that means is a support line, once broken, that's the line that's going to be on the bottom of these candles. And when I show you, you'll see. But when it breaks support, that means that it's currently a bearish market and the price is going to go down of the stock. Resistance line will be on top. When that's broken, it's a bull market. You're expecting the stock to go up. And these indicators will be good for your day traders or also swing trading. Currently using the Webull platform, we are looking at ticker symbol SOS. And when I do these, I use the 1 day and the 4-hour candlestick. And bear with me, I am recently doing this myself, so we're gonna do this learning together. So as well as the support and resistance indicators, I also use the MA, which stands for moving average. That's these different color lines: the blue, the orange, and the purple. Blue is the 5-day moving average of the candles. Orange is the 20-day moving average, and purple is the 200-day moving average. Now, when drawing these lines, I want to keep it really basic for you guys, or just getting into drawing up your own charts, getting into trading. So right there, first line is the support line. And that top line is the resistance. And then we're going to draw one more up. You want to make sure it hits as many candles as possible. So I'm thinking right here, 812. So right now, when you're looking at this, there's a total of 3 lines. At 421, you can see it on the right hand side. This is the current support. So if you see this middle candlestick right here, that bottom wick tail hits 421, instantly rejects it. And currently, the trend right now, it's looking bearish. So if it hits 421, it will either reject it again, but if it goes below that, that means the stock price is looking to go even lower. But instead, what we want, if we want the stock to go up, it would have to hit 812. And once it does that, it'll run to its next resistance, which is 15. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. There will be more to come. This was just a simple, real quick how-to. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe.